US Mobile and Google Fi are both mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs. This means they don't own physical networks, but rent capacity from major carriers like Verizon and T-Mobile. US Mobile operates on Verizon's extensive network, providing excellent coverage in rural areas and reaching 99% of Americans. Google Fi uses T-Mobile's network, offering fast 5G speeds in urban centers, but with some gaps in less populated regions. For plans, US Mobile offers unlimited data starting at $55 per month, making it ideal for high-usage households and families. Google Fi uses a pay-for-what-you-use model starting at $55, with a $75 monthly cap for unlimited data, appealing to those who use less data. US Mobile features data pooling, allowing you to share data across multiple lines, and parental controls for family management. Google Fi offers Wi-Fi calling for seamless connectivity and global roaming in over 200 countries. For value, US Mobile offers the best option for rural areas and high data users, providing reliable coverage and simplicity. Google Fi best suits flexible users who want seamless integration with Google services and AI-driven pricing optimization.